now it's time to make the design. Make sure to subscribe and like to support my channel. When I do a design for a wood carving project, I always have that in mind, and that's why I'm not going super detailed with the drawing, because I know it's pretty much impossible to do in wood. It's not impossible, but it's very time consuming that way. You can also see me do a little bit of shading, but that is just to understand the shapes better when I start the carving. Here you can see me using my Merlin 2 grinder I bought in January, I think. This is a very nice tool to remove a lot of excess wood in a short amount of time. An advice to people to do wood carving is to be bold with the cuts. Don't worry too much about making mistakes, because you're gonna end up using a lot of time to worry then. Just make the mistakes instead and move on to the next project. From my experience, I improve my skills a lot more by doing that instead of like trying to make everything perfect all the time. And also another tip to be really good at wood carving is to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. I just want to say that when it came to making the eye fit the socket very nicely, I did go back and forth to the sanding machine like 15 times or so, so it was a lot more work than what it looks like here on the video. I went to my parents' cabin to do the hand sanding of this project. I very often go there to do the sanding of my pendants as well, that you can find in my online shop.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Now the project is ready for staining. I am using a stain from a brand called Chestnut here. The color is antique mahogany, and for my next project with this size I am definitely gonna try to find a bigger brush, because this brush was way too small, and it took me a lot more time than it would have if I had a bigger brush. Now I'm ready to finish off this project. I'm gonna do that using Danish oil. The way I do this is to apply an even coat all over the project, and then I let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I dry off the excess oil, and I let the whole project dry for 4 to 5 hours, and after that I repeat the process, and this can be done multiple times until you achieve the result you are looking for. So here's how the eye turned out after I stained it. I sanded away the middle part to make it lighter, and then I used a black marker to make the pupil, and now I'm gonna lacquer it. So unfortunately this part of the video got out of focus, but I am just gluing the eye onto the socket. using epoxy, and at this point I am super satisfied with how the project looks. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one.